So I came down the road and all these vultures are here. This is the cleaning crew of Baytown, Texas. Look at this. They're eating this poor cat. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh man. It's a possum. They're eating a possum. I thought it was a cat, but it's a possum. Man. Look how they eat its flesh. It's crazy. There goes one. There goes 2, 3. They're flying away. They're on top of that house over there. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay, this is Lewis in Baytown, Texas. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Don't get eaten by the birds. Yikes.